Welcome back everybody, Travis from Arcan Trailer here today. Got an exciting video for you here. Behind me is a new 2023 Winnebago Hike 100 series. This is going to be the 1316 MB. That's going to be a Murphy bed style floor plan. This unit's going to be coming in at 15 feet 11 inches front to back, and we're going to be just over 3,200 pounds on the dry weight there. So still a great fit for the larger SUVs and most trucks out there. Long list of standard options and equipment with the Winnebagos here, so let's waste no time and get right into it. Up front, of course, we are going to have that power tongue jack. That's always great when you're bringing it up off the truck. Just saves that shoulder from getting burnt out on you. One single 20-pound propane bottle, pardon me, and that's just going to help keep tongue weights at a little bit more of a manageable number there. Winnebago does have the half Phylon fiberglass cap. I'm used to saying 3/4, but they've extended the rock guard up on that here with the Hike series. Being a bit of an off-grid, off-road type trailer, that is great to see. That's going to hold up a whole lot better, especially if you're going down some gravel roads there. Now, going to have a good size power awning going right to the back wall. Of course, that has that LED strip, so it's just going to help brighten everything up for you out front. We have our friction hinge doorway here. So that's just got the spring-loaded hinges. You never have to worry about that door slamming shut on you if you happen to be on your way out with a couple drinks. And then that extra large grab handle to give you some added support coming up into the unit. Now, as we make our way down, wanted to touch down below. We've got 16-inch aluminum wheels on your Goodyear Duratrac tires, and we're going to have Ball's independent suspension system just in behind that there. So you can see it's a very robust system. We've got some big springs, some big shocks in there, and that ride quality is going to be exponentially better than your standard straight axle on a comparable product there. Above the wheels, we have these metal boxes or wheel wells that have some storage inside here and a couple cabinets towards the back. It's a great spot to maybe have that induction cooktop out here, or maybe just having a Bluetooth speaker, whatever you might need. And then towards the back side, we're going to have a bit of a, not quite a pass-through, but from the side towards the rear wall, but a larger exterior storage. With that, you get the magnetic door catches and those slam latch handles. So just a couple little features there to help dress that up. Below this storage, one point to mention is you are going to see a propane quick connect line there. So if you happen to have that old 2-burner Coleman stove in the garage you want to bring on out, hey, plug it right into that line. That's going to feed off the 20-pound tank up front, so you don't have to bring those little green bottles out with you. A couple other points on the exterior with our Winnebagos. All of our fiberglass is bonded to Azdel, which is a material, composite material that's mold and mildew resistant, water resistant. It's going to cut back on chances of delamination if you happen to forget to check your seals. That's something I like to recommend doing a few times a year just to save yourself the headache down the line. Lastly, as we're coming into the unit, there's a great sticker here that says solar on board. All of our Hike 100s are going to be coming with a 190-watt panel up on the roof, just to help keep those batteries charged up when you are out in the backcountry there. So just above the refrigerator here, we're going to have this unique feature with the Hikes. It's a pull-out countertop extension here. Limited access around the sink area itself, so just gives you a little bit of prep space to work with. Of course, bread box, microwave above that, with a little added storage here, and then our main control panel for the awning, lights, so on and so forth. A great mention on that panel, however, is this little red switch is going to be for the tank heaters. The Winnebago Hikes do come with heated tanks, so if you are doing some fringe camping, springing into fall, just going to give you some peace of mind with your water system down below. Beside that area, we're going to have a bit of a vanity kitchen sink, however you want to call it there, with the high-rise stainless faucet and the single basin stainless steel sink. Seamless counters. They do have a wireless phone charger added in there as well, and then a good sized storage compartment just below. Now behind the door over my shoulder here is going to be our wet bath, where we've got our shower coming along the rear side, and then we'll have the toilet set up towards the front with a couple removable shelves here. So if you are in there having a shower or using facilities, of course, take those out, give yourself the extra space. Just outside that, we'll have a bit of a coat closet, pantry, however you want to utilize that. There is the hanging rod in there for coats and sweatshirts. And then on the bottom side, we can see that induction cooktop I mentioned outside. That is going to be included in all the Winnebago Hike 100 series. Furnace output and converter panel just below that. And now as we look towards the rear, we're going to have the Murphy bed system here. Now this in particular, the dinette table, of course, we're gonna wanna get out of the way before we bring that bed down. So we'll show you guys how that goes here. So with getting that table out of the way, the sofa here is gonna be a jackknife style sofa, and you can notice below we do have a little bit of storage access there as well. And to add, you're gonna have compartments on the sides. So you lay the bed down flat, you grab the handle from up above, there's gonna be some gas struts that are supporting that up. You give that a nice pull down, you get a queen size bed that folds out, nightstands on either side, lots of windows, and then we've got some additional overhead cabinetry along the back side there. But with that, that's gonna wrap up our tour of the 2023 Winnebago Hike 1316 MB. This is Travis from Arcan Trailer. Thanks for stopping by. We'll see you guys real soon.